Good morning from my hotel room in Begonville Apart Hotel in Side, Turkey. It is 7 a.m. and this is the view from my balcony on the fourth floor. I can actually see a little bit of the sea right there in the distance. And this balcony is facing actually towards west, which is good as I don't get to be waken up by the sun in the morning. That's on the other side. The room is quite nice, and for the price that I paid, it's more than enough actually. I paid for the whole vacation for the package, both the charter flight, return flight, and the 7 nights in this room, 115 euros, which is quite cheap if you ask me. So let's give you a tour of the room as I go in. Let's see how, I'll show you how it looks from the, how it looks when you enter. So this is the hall, and this is room 405 on the 4th floor out of 5. There is a small hall, and right here there is a small kitchen where you can boil some tea, coffee, or cook something, which I don't recommend because it is very hot here, so it's better to eat outside. It's a fridge also. And on the left side we have a bathroom. That's a bit small, but it does its job. This is how it looks like. There is even a hair dryer and a cupboard here as well. Then we have here some hangers for the towels. And the bed is for 2 people actually. I was sleeping all alone. It's so nice to have 2 pillows as well. There is even a working desk here. And you can put here the chair from the balcony, which I was doing. And there is a very small painting here you can look into. There is a night cupboard here on this side, and on the other side I guess it's the mirror drawer. There is a safe that's actually cost extra. I didn't use it. And quite good space for storage here. And some extra blankets if you are extra hot, which won't happen because in the night, yesterday it was 24 degrees in the night. So I was basically sleeping without any blanket. And yes, I didn't mention the balcony, but you have seen it. Quite nice view, I would say, for the price. And this is how the room looks like from the balcony. So yeah, it is 7 a.m. and it's time for the last beach adventure also, but let me just show you also the rest of the hotel as I go out of the hotel. So it is day 8, the last day of departure for me, and I have a bus transfer to the airport at 9 a.m. So in less than 2 hours I'll be on my way to the airport, but first let's go in for a swim, and let me show you first the rest of the hotel. So the key is usually with the power here. And let's go and check the rest of the hotel. You can see now the pool over there. The pool is open between 8 and 6, so 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. I did use it a few times. The water is warm indeed. So this is floor 4, and there is one more floor up at Begonville Cide Apart Hotel. And there's the sun on the east. So we are heading towards the reception now, where there is even a bar and a restaurant as well. Here there is also a table on floor 1. Here you can see the pool from close up. It's the baby pool. Quite nice. Quite nice indeed. And this is the big pool. It's 1 meter and 50 centimeters with lots of sunbeds as well. And there is also the restaurant. There is even, yes, a spa wellness and Turkish bath hammam. And that's my agency wing from Sweden. And there is even a free sunbed, free Wi-Fi, free shuttle to the beach that I haven't used. 9:30, 10:30, 11. From the beach at 3. It's not that far to the beach actually. So yeah, Begonville Apart Hotel this is. And here I can see my balcony from here as well. And very nice flowers this here at the entrance. Yes, the hotel is located around 15 minutes walk from the closest beach and around the same amount to the ancient city of Side. So that's a wrap from Begonville Side Apart Hotel. Now let's hit the beach for one last time. Cheers from Side, Turkey, and thank you for watching this walk tour of the hotel where I was staying here in Side on my vacation. Cheers!